This video will guide you on how to add extra attributes for Active Directory integration. When initially setting up the integration between Active Directory, only a specific set of attributes are synchronized. But if you wish to include more attributes in the sync process, there's a straightforward way to do it using Okta's Profile Editor feature. Let's get started. Log in to the Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Directory and then choose Profile Editor. Click on Directories, followed by the specific Active Directory integration where you'd like to add the attribute. On the page that opens, click the Add Attribute button. A pop-up will appear listing unmapped attributes. Simply tick the boxes next to the attributes you want to add. Click Save, and you're done. As an illustration, if you want to add an admin count, just click Save, refresh the page, and this attribute will now be accessible for use in mappings and expressions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.